At Noble Energy, we feel passionate about our commitment to all Coloradans. We've implemented technologies and we work to make a cleaner and more efficient way of producing energy here in Colorado. And in doing so, we feel like we're bettering our community and all of the lives of Coloradans around us. Our partnership and investment with Women's Fund of Weld County allows Noble to help those that need help, and it also is such a valuable thing for the people that work here at Noble Energy. There's over 700 of us in Colorado, and we work with thousands of other people in our communities to help bring us the energy we need, the economy we want, and the environment that we value here in Colorado. Noble Energy's investment and partnership with Women's Fund of Weld County is so important to Noble and all of our 700 employees here in Colorado. We value this partnership and we look forward to supporting it in the future as well.